Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2005 Harley Davidson Dyna Super Glide. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2005 Harley Davidson Dyna Super Glide with 16,292 miles runs well. It's been upgraded with an aftermarket 2-to-1 exhaust, LED headlight, LED taillight, aftermarket rear turn signals, 6-inch handlebars, grips, stunt pegs, a horn cover, an aftermarket seat, and a relocated speedometer. Powered by an 88 cubic inch V-twin engine, the Super Glide puts 86 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. With a 4.8 gallon fuel capacity, the Super Glide has a 160 to 180 mile range. It has a 26.8 inch seat height and a 679 pound wet weight. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, the Super Glide will need front turn signals and rear turn signals with sufficient visibility, a high beam indicator light, and new heat shields. Please expand and read the mechanical condition report for a full list of concerns. As mentioned above, this bike does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts and both tires at 330 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. The bottom of the engine, the transmission, the primary, and frame crossmember are covered in fluid, and we are unsure of the origin. There is oil seeping from the back of the airbox. The front turn signal wires are taped and zip tied to the front cables, and the front turn signals are missing. The handlebar clamp indicator cover plate is loose, and the bracket that holds it in place is plastic and cannot be bent for more tension. The clutch cable is leaking and covered in dried and fresh fluid, but not actively dripping. The left grip is loose. We posted the service repair order for this bike, so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are paint chips on the fuel tank, a blemish on the headlight housing, and scratches on the rear fender. This bike has one key, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold wholesale as is. It received a safety inspection, documentation about its condition, and a detail. It is being sold without a warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.